Understanding Top-Down Fabrication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, top-down fabrication. It might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it simple and understandable. This phrase is often used in engineering and technology, but it has broader implications that can be applied in various contexts. So, let's dive in. At its core, top-down fabrication refers to a process or approach where the creation of a system, project, or product starts from the highest level of conceptual design down to its detailed components. Imagine constructing a building. You first have the complete design or blueprint in mind before you start laying the bricks. This method contrasts with a bottom-up approach, where the components are designed or decided upon first, building up to the final structure or system. To understand top-down fabrication better, let's look at some examples. In technology, manufacturing a microchip begins with a design of the entire circuit before the individual transistors and components are created. In project management, a project might be planned in its entirety from its final goals to specific tasks, assigning resources and timelines based on the overall vision. In writing, an author might outline the plot of a novel or the structure of an essay before fleshing out the chapters or paragraphs. These examples show how the top-down approach is used across different fields, emphasizing planning and overarching vision before delving into specifics. Top-down fabrication has its advantages, such as a clear vision and direction, efficiency in achieving goals, and easier management and coordination. However, it also has disadvantages, including potential rigidity, less room for creativity in the initial stages, and the possibility of overlooking details that emerge from ground-level insights. Understanding these pros and cons is crucial for anyone involved in planning, designing, or managing projects in any field, as it helps in choosing the most effective approach for a given situation. I hope this video has demystified the phrase, top-down fabrication, and shown you how it applies not just in technology and engineering but in various aspects of planning and creation. Whether you're a project manager, a developer, or just curious about different approaches to problem solving, knowing about top-down fabrication can add a valuable perspective to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting topics to help you master the English language.